What's up, everybody? It's your girl, the one and only Amira on the wall. Now I'm coming at you with another video showing you how I did my birthday makeup look, big Aquarius season. I started off with my Urban Decay primer potion, per usual. So then I go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette, and yeah, one of them broke. I really don't know how the heck that happened, but it is what it is. So yeah, girl, what is you pointing at? I go into that orangey brown color, and I'm putting that directly in my crease. Now, you don't want to go above it. And of course, a quick tip for you guys, that the brush, the fluffier that it is, that's what's blending it and what's making it fade up. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but like, you just put the brush in the crease of your eye, and the fluffier the brush, that's what's going to blend. Oh, and real quick, I'm going to try to link everything that I'm using down below in the description. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a denser brush and go into the brown that's right next to it. Again, girl, what are you pointing at? And I'm only going to put that on the outer corner of my eye. That's just like the main place I'm going to concentrate it on. Again, you see me put the brush in my crease and mainly focus that on the outside. Next step is to blend, and I'm using the same brush that I used, that orangey brown color, just cause you know your girl don't want to keep dirtying up her brushes. Next thing that I'm doing is I'm going with the shimmer shade. This is more like a taupey color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over the lid because your girl likes the razzle dazzle. Ow. Excuse me for my voice. It is a bit raspy. I am sick right now. So, yeah, I probably don't sound too cute. But we're gonna get through this. I have to finish this video, finally. Next up, I'm going in with a pencil brush. And I'm gonna go into the darkest brown from this palette. That is part of the Date Eye category. And again, focusing that, but this time mainly on the outer V of the eye, just to give it a little bit more depth. And of course, I'm blending with the same brush that I used for the orangey brown, and I'm just gonna keep blending with it. I don't care what you say. So next I'm going in with this e.l.f. Duo eyeliner that I got, and I'm using the matte side of it. It does come with a shimmer side and a matte side. I'm only going to place it halfway across my lid. I'm not taking it all the way in because I don't want to have the appearance of my eyes being smaller than what they already are. Now I'm going to go in with a smudge brush. This came part of like a Coastal Scents set that I got like back in high school. And I'm just going to go ahead and smudge that eyeliner out a bit. Smoke it, baby. And your girl's back with some Ardell Lashes. I don't remember what number they are because I lost them. I'm going in now for the face with the Hourglass number 28 primer serum. Key and a pro tip for you guys, you do not have to use one primer base all over your face. You have to get to know your skin and be able to tell what spots need certain treatments than the other. Around my nose, under my eyes, and my forehead, I am more dry, so I'm going in with that number 28. Then on my cheeks, I'm going in with the NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer. It's more hydrating and stuff like that, but I like the tackiness. And my cheeks really are pretty much normal. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that. Just pat it in. Make sure that you're patting to get it to go into your skin. Now I'm going in with this foundation that I got from a good friend of mine, Desi. Shout out Desi Styles. This is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation in FS210 Medium Golden. And I'm going in with the Duo Fiber brush It's pretty dense, so I like it to pack on and get the coverage that I'm looking for, which is pretty much more on the fuller side. And yeah, just go ahead and put it all over your face. You guys know I love y'all, right? So I'm gonna give you another tip. Don't forget your neck. Seriously, blend that foundation down. Do us all a favor. Don't nobody want to see this mask on your face. Next thing, I'm going in with my beauty blender just to smooth everything over. And yeah. Blend that little forehead, girl. Don't got no space between your eyebrow and your forehead. Now I'm going in with this NYX concealer. And I place that in the inner corner of the eye and the outer corner of the eye because that is where light bounces off. You don't want to put too much product under your eye because that skin is thin and sensitive, and you wonder why your concealer be creasing, girl. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger because the warmth of your skin actually helps blend better. And then I just go over with a little bit of a beauty blender, you know, the final touch. Now I'm going to go with my Huda Beauty baking powder and banana bread. I'm taking a brush and I'm just sweeping it over the inner corner where I placed that concealer. And this is not baking. I don't want my eyes to crease later on. That's why a lot of girls have this problem, is that baking. I'm going in with the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Powder in the number FS170. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just going all over the face pretty much with it. Now, if there's anything that you learned from Auntie Mira is what? Don't forget your neck. Now I'm going in with my CoverFx Perfect Face Palette, and I'm taking the contour shade, and this is my contour brush from, where's this from again? From Luxie, the number 512 small contouring brush. Of course, I'm just going to go ahead and put that right under my cheekbones, create some shadow, even though it looks more like bronzer. I know. And I'm just taking that and doing a sweeping and swirl motion. Just really working it in there. Don't forget that tiny forehead, baby girl. And of course, the double chin. Gotta cover that. My face routine pretty much stays the same. So now I'm going to go in with my Alamar blush trio in medium tan, and I'm taking that first shade. It's called Seclusion, and of course just putting that on the apples of the cheeks. And I also run it across my nose just because I like to add a little bit of life to my skin since I took it all away with all this dang yellow and beige. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. highlighter in Apricot Glow. This is my favorite. Use it every time I do my makeup. I think it complements my skin very well. Now I'm taking a small shader brush and running that orangey brown color that we used for the crease under the eye. Now for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. I got this for Christmas from my cousin Jessica. Thanks, Jessie. So yeah, I'm just using that for the top and bottom lashes. Now I'm going in with that e.l.f. eyeliner again, putting it halfway on my waterline, and taking a big fluffy brush, running it across my face just to kind of blend everything together. Now I'm just putting a little bit of that highlighter, whatever was left on that brush, on the brow bone. And I'm going in with my setting spray. It's the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. This is going to make my skin more like skin again since putting all that foundation. Yes, girl, put it out, woosah! Okay, next is lips. I'm going in with this brown lipstick that I got from the dollar store. It's a Dollar Tree. It's Colormates brand, in case anybody wants to know. And I'm just pretty much lining my lips with it, or just focusing it more on the outsides of my lips instead of the middle. Yes, yes. Now I'm going over my lips with the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in Nudist Peach. And we're going to, you know, blend that together. And we're done. I hope you guys like this look. Do me a favor. Comment down below more things you want to see. give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. And yeah, until next time, bye.